Hi, we're looking at Road to 100 Con questions. Basic idea is to help you improve your methods that may help you to score 100 percentile in the con section. So A has distributed 8 pens out of which 4 are ball pens. B received 3 of those pens. What's the probability B will receive at least 1 of the ball pens? So when you say at least 1, okay, it basically means total weighs minus 0 ball pens. So when you say at least 1 is total minus 0. So what are the total weighs? Okay, so total here probability you're talking of 1. He receiving 0 ball pen is, that means from the remaining 5 pens which are there, all the 3 are ball pens. Divided by total number of weighs is from all 4 are ball pens, 4 ball pens are in the remaining 5 pens. Out of total 8C4. Total weighs is total 8 pens, 4 are ball pens. For him not to receive a single pen, the remaining 5 should have 4 ball pens. If you solve it, it becomes 1 minus 5C4 is 5. 8C4, if you calculate 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 upon 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 gets cancelled, 6 gets cancelled. You will get 1 minus 5 upon 70 or 1 minus 1 upon 14, which is 13 upon 14. That will be the answer, C option. Right, so 5C4, 8C4, do the calculations, you will get 1 minus 5 upon 70. That will lead to 13 upon 14. A's daughter has twice as many sisters as brothers. That means A has a daughter who has twice as many sisters as brothers. That means the total siblings will be multiple of 3. So total value should ideally be multiple of 3 plus 1, because including the daughter, it will be multiple of 3 plus 1. The only options which are there are 13 and 10. 2 possibilities. Next, A's son has thrice as many sisters as brothers. That means total number of siblings here is multiple of 4 plus the son 1. So multiple of 4 plus 1. The only option looks like 13. So let's check. If there are 13 siblings, so if I remove a daughter, okay, there are 12 people. 12 people will be 8 will be girls and 4 will be boys, because twice as many sisters as brothers, which means we have total 9 girls. So now if you have a son out here, okay, so what is left is 3 boys. From that 4, 1 son is gone, so 3 boys and 9 girls. 3 times satisfies. So 13 satisfies the condition. So C option. You can just do a multiple and get the answer quickly. Find the sum of digits of number. So if you look at 32, 24 is 2 raised to 120. Because 32 is 2 raised to 5. 5 into 24, 120. 125 is 3 raised to 120, 5 raised to 123. 5 cube is 125. 3 into 41 is 123. I can take 5 cubes separately. It will become 10 raised to 120. Or you can say 125 and all zeros. So sum of digits will be 8. B option. That will be the answer. A 2-digit number is 5 times the difference between number and its reverse. Technically, you should know that difference between number and its reverse should be a multiple of 9. I mean, if you've been practicing a lot and you know this, I mean, this should come concept. If not, I'll just explain it to you. Suppose the number is AB. So which we write it as 10A plus B. So reverse will be 10B plus A. When you subtract, it becomes 9A minus 9B. When you subtract, it becomes 9A minus 9B. Which is nothing but 9A minus B. So it's 9 times the difference of digits. So that means difference between number and its reverse is a multiple of 9. It can be 9, 18, 27 and so on. 5 times of it can be 45, 90. This is not possible. It becomes 3-digit number. Now when it's 18, the difference in digit has to be 2. But here is not 2. When there is 18, difference in digit has to be 2. But 45, difference of digit has to be 1 because of 9. This satisfies. That means I know a number is 45. When number is 45, sum of digits has to be 9. D option. A and B are 2 points in a plane separated at a distance of 12 centimeter. The plane, how many lines in the plane are at a distance of 9 centimeter from A and 5 centimeter from B? 9 centimeter from A means the perpendicular distance should be 9 centimeter. which means if you draw a circle with a radius 9, then the line has to be perpendicular to it. That's the basic idea when you say 9. Same way when you say B, 5, so same way. So that means the basic line that we're talking of should be tangent to both these circles. This is 5, this is 9, should be tangent to both these circles. Then it will satisfy the condition. Also, they will overlap because the sum of 9 plus 5, 14 is more than 12. So they has to overlap. So if you look at two such circles, we have only two common tangents, one on top, one on bottom, which means only two lines will satisfy. C option. Two such circles will have only two common tangents, so only two lines will satisfy. Thank you.